It's Monday, December 22nd, and as you can see, it's still snowing. It has snowed all night, and as I walk out here and measure, look at that. That's just down to the ice layer from yesterday. It's like another 5 inches of snow on top of the 5 inches that was under there already and the ½ inch of ice. This is so crazy. This is so not Portland. Unbelievable. Okay, so we are going to venture 6 houses away to my good friend Pam's mom's house, and this will be the furthest we've gone in 2 days, so we have to get ready. So the snow's really deep. It's like 11 inches deep now, and so our feet were getting wet. So this is a little trick I learned at science camp. So first, we have to have layers, just like the snow has layers of ice and snow. First we have our sock liner, then we have our 0 below socks, which are super thick, nice warm wool socks, right? And then we have the plastic bag, the pièce de résistance, because what we learned at science camp was that even this plastic bag will help keep your feet dry. And then the last layer is the boot. Okay, we're ready to go. It'll only take like an hour to walk.
We could just go across the street. How about that?
I'm gonna go to Sue's.
Well, you can do that. I'm freezing right now.
Okay, we made it to Sue's house, Sue and Dawn's house, and look, they even made a little path for us.
Did you want to walk down the lake?
No, Dawn's expecting us. Okay, so Dawn actually measured before the ice and said it was 8 inches, and then it got compressed down to 5 inches, and then the ½ inch of ice, and then another 5 inches. So we're really at like 13.5 inches, and the record for Portland is 15. So we're getting close.